Namaste and welcome to our channel on Cloud9. So talking about eyes are the most used and the most expressive sense organs of our body. A lot of our expressions can simply be conveyed through the eyes, such as and not to forget the love at first sight wala aankhon hi aankhon mein ishara ho gaya wala expression. So with that, sharing a few fun facts about eyes. So the resolution of the human eye is 576 megapixels, whereas for the iPhone 13 is just 12 megapixels. Number 2, the human eye can see 1 million different colors. Wow. And then the third one, which is it is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Try it out. Maine try kiya, it is truly impossible. So with that, let's begin our 5 exercises now. The first one that we're going to do is a simple eye rotation. So looking up, down, a couple of times, and then from the right to left, clockwise movements. Without moving the neck, you're simply moving the eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. The second one is a 3-step one. So we do blink, squeeze the eyes, and then open wide open. Open the eyes wide open. Blink, squeeze, open wide. Blink, squeeze, open wide. Blink, squeeze the eyes, open them wide. Last time, let's blink, squeeze the eyes and open them wide. The third one, we'll do a simple massage. So using your forefinger, simply massage on the eyelid, under the eyelid. You know, a lot of our dark circles, under eye bags get formed due to tired eyes. Give it a good massage. Let there be some blood circulation in this region. Very gently. On the eyeballs, just under the eyebrows and under the eyes. A little bit of pressure. See what is comfortable for you. And relax. Now let's create some heat with the hands. And we're going to cup our eyes now with the little depression that is in the palms. Press gently, release. Keep the eyes closed. One more time. Let's create some warmth between the palms. And cup the eyes. A little press. Relax. Last time. Create some heat and gently place your palms and press them on the eyes and relax. The 5th exercise is something you can try in your bathroom as well, and it's very, very refreshing. If your eyes are really feeling tired, or even middle of the day when you're working, on your laptop for a long time, you can do this. So take some water in your mouth and fill your mouth up with water. And keeping your eyes open, simply splash cold water onto your face with the eyes open. So your mouth is filled with water. Just splashing all the water on your face and eyes. And once you're done, spit out the water with force. Yeah, so what this does is all of the heat, all of the tension, everything, it just sort of relaxes and lets it out with the water. So definitely try these out for getting that sparkle and shine back in your eyes after a tired day. And do let us know any feedback that you have on these exercises after you try them. Until next time, stay safe, stay tuned, Sukhi.